Hello YouTube friends. This is not planned to be an unboxing video, but I just got this in from Coach Outlet and apparently it was shipped from a store, and I wanted to show you guys how nice the packaging was on this. It was a really nice box, really covered everything, very different than most Coach boxes. And this one was ordered through the Coach Outlet online, but it came from a store and they had enough nice tissue paper in there, and look at how nice they wrapped it. I'm really impressed. They did a nice job wrapping this. That's great. And it looks like what I ordered. So I just wanted to show you guys that Coach Outlet came through. They really wrapped this nicely. I'm impressed. So I'll show you the rest of the video later. Alright, so now we have here the beautifully unwrapped Coach PENNIE Crossbody bag. And you guys, I love this bag. When I first saw the ads popping up for it when it first came out a couple weeks ago, it was really funny because it was just one of those love-hate reactions. I really kind of went between just hating it and then being obsessed with it. I don't know why, but I haven't really wanted a bag from Coach, at least at not Coach Outlet, this much for a long time. And it's funny because I don't even really care for the little coin case hanging off the strap thing like the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessories. This one actually reminds me of a bigger version of the Louis Vuitton utility crossbody. It has the two pockets in front like that, but something about it, I just had to have it. So I kind of went back and forth on the site, and I realized I was looking at it every day and then looking at all the videos of it every day. And I had sold a bunch of bags, and so I had plenty of money from that to go ahead and buy it outright. But you know, for me, if it's on the Coach Outlet site and if it's like over $120, to me that's kind of pushing it. And this was $171, so it was 60% off. But I don't know, I was just thinking, well, wait, because it'll go on sale. Anyhow, it ended up where I thought, just buy it before it's gone. And I'm glad I did, because a few hours after I picked this one up, it was sold out in this colorway. I know my girl LV Lux Girl, she's got a good video on it. She bought the lighter colored one. It's the beige signature with the, I think it's called rosewood pockets. And that's really cute. And then I just saw Noble Strength. She's got the same bag. So if you want to see some cute mod shots on a cute girl, go to go to either of those girls' YouTubes. Noble Strength has the exact same colorway, and she does a really good job of modeling it, so you can get an idea of what it looks like on. But anyhow, let me give you a tour of the bag. So this is the Coach PENNIE Crossbody. It's brand new from the Coach Outlet. And here's the original price. It's $428, and this is in the brown and black signature with the IM stands, I believe, for imitation, and it's the gold tone hardware. So signature PENNIE Crossbody, and it's really a very nice bag. I'm happy that I went ahead and bit the bullet and got it, because I was thinking, you know, if I saw this on the regular Coach retail site, I would have bought it no problem at that price. So it's, I think, very well worth it. When I was thinking about buying it, I thought for sure I would be taking this off, putting it inside the bag. There was no way I was going to wear it, but I actually do like where it hits on this bag as opposed to the multi-pochette. This seems to be placed lower, so it doesn't hit you like right at the chest, depending on where you adjust the adjustable buckle, of course. But it hits a little bit lower, like around your belly, so I think it looks really good. I probably will be wearing it with that attached, but you can always remove it. And it's got a little, one of these little pressure hooks right here, so you can easily remove it and use it for other bags or put it inside. And it's so well made. It's got leather on the bottom, pebbled leather, smooth leather around the edges. It's got the Coach logo in the center, and it's just got the little strap in the back. It's got a leather pull tab, and the zipper is really smooth. And then inside, what I'm carrying in here right now is a mirror, just a little touch-up mirror. Fits perfectly in there. So that would be something that I would normally want to have with me. Put a powder compact in there. You could put your earbuds, anything that would fit in a coin pouch, of course, coins. But the strap is really nice. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes, so a lot of adjustments can be made. This one hits me perfectly as a crossbody, where they have it adjusted right now at the 4th hole, and it's the pebble leather strap on both sides. Nice and wide, very comfortable. You've got the dog leash clips on the side, and then the bag itself has nice smooth leather trim all the way around it. It's just made really well. You've got a nice sized pocket in the back for your phone. If I wanted to push it, I can put like a little organizer in there. Little notebook, fits fine. It's a nice space. So this is 10 3/4 inches long, 2 3/4 wide, and 7 inches tall. So you've got a lot of space to play with. Now the pockets on the front of this one are pebbled leather in black, and they have the Coach logo around them. And you've got the Coach logo right here. The zipper pull also has a really nice pebbled leather tie. And it's just constructed very nicely. It looks like a much more elegant bag. It kind of has a little curve to the top part, which I like, and that combined with the kind of slim silhouette makes it very comfortable to carry. But it packs a lot, so I'll show you what I have in mind. So in here I have some hand sanitizer, fits perfectly, and an extra mask. And then in this pocket I just have my AirPods. They fit perfectly. So that's what I have in those. I don't have anything in my back pocket here, but like I showed you, you could put a notebook that's smaller, like if you had a thin A6 planner, it would fit, or I would carry my phone in there usually. And then inside has a very nice smooth zipper. I have all this. I have my glasses. It has a nice big slip pocket in the back that could easily fit your phone. I have a phone charger in the back just to show you. It's kind of hard to see because this one has black lining, but it fits right in there. And then I have a little DKNY corner zip wristlet, just for receipts or paperwork. I've got my little bag with extra masks in it. And then look what fits in here easily. My large zip around wallet by Coach. So that's a lot of room that it gives you, and there was still room on the sides for other things. But inside it's very basic. All you have is just, you have the creed, you've got one big slip pocket on the back, and then on this side it's just empty. But you've got plenty of room for everything you could need. I love how I can carry a full-sized wallet in this. To me, that's very helpful to know, because I don't always like to change out to a card case just to get through my day. So anyhow, that is what fits inside very easily. The zipper is really very nice, and this little coin case is really cute. And like I said, it's almost like you're getting two things for one price. When I thought about the price I was willing to pay for this, I thought, well, you know, usually they sell these coin cases that have leather on them for around $50, and so then that would make the bag itself about $120, so that makes it okay. So I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy the Coach Pennie Crossbody as much as I do. They also come in like a army green leather, full pebbled leather. They have this one sold out right now. I don't know if they're going to get more back in, but I'm sure on the resale market you could find one. They have this in the light beige signature with the rosewood trim. And then they also have the one that I was most tempted to get at first is like a light gray color full leather with raspberry piping and a raspberry colored strap that was really cute. But then I thought that raspberry color is going to limit me and I wanted something I could carry all the time. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.